It's concrete day. So basically Mike is putting together the footers for the propane tank. There is no natural gas in our area, so we have to have propane. These were kind of a last minute addition, and we were basically just going to use whatever was left in the truck after we poured our pillars. So Mike just used stuff laying around to bang these forms together. Damn.
It'll still be kind of stiff.
Holy crap! Damn, no. It doesn't want to move for me. Is it stiff because of this stuff?
That's a factor in these ribs on the sides.
Okay. I wondered what made it so stiff, because I could not bend it to save my life.
Sometimes it helps to put a little more heat on the outside of the bend, because that lets it stretch.
Okay.
Because when you bend something, the outside stretches and the inside compresses. You can get into bend allowances for how much more material you need based on the thickness of it and its bending characteristics, but we're not doing that because it's just a friggin' hook. Alright, we'll weld that one together. That broke right along one of those ribs. That happens sometimes. You tweak it too far and it becomes a stress riser.
So because we aren't sure exactly where we're going to put the propane tank yet, Mike went ahead and just made some hooks. That way he could just put them in the forms, and once we know where we're going to put the propane tank, we can just pick up those concrete blocks by the hook and move them right where we want them. Of course, I'm sure you're all shocked to discover that welding is my new favorite hobby. We had a few last minute things to do before the concrete truck showed up. We needed to backfill those pillars just a little bit so they'd stay in place. We still managed to have a blowout though. I'm currently on my way to meet the concrete guys to lead them back into the neighborhood to the house. The golden mallet. Here you can see where we had that blowout. That big mound of wet dirt is mostly concrete. I cannot tell you how excited I am that this day has come. Oh my God, we have concrete. Ah!
This is the last pillar in the pit.
Bob the Builder always has impeccable timing. He showed up here just as we were finishing the last little bit of concrete being poured, and he was able to help Mike level all of these columns properly. Incidentally, the number 22 really meant something to my son William. So when I realized truck 22 was pouring the concrete for our foundation, that was pretty cool. They also showed up at Mike's mom's house a couple days later in truck 22. Incidentally also, this recording number on my phone is number 22. Hi kiddo, I know you're around. And these are the forms that Mike made at the beginning of the video for the propane footers. We're just filling those up really quick, and then the guys are gonna go and level those pillars.
It's a super shit trowel. Slash edger. Still pretty chuffed about the fitment of these pieces of siding. There are no fasteners holding those in.
I know. You did a nice job.
I can usually do a better job with a trowel, but
Well,
tools are a little crude.
we weren't thinking that far ahead. Okay, I better scan the area. Just make sure there's no cats or dogs or deer that are gonna walk through it.
Come out to a fawn that's got all its feet stuck in one. Oh,
Meh. Bob always seems to come over when we have Allie stay out of the way operations.
If you're new here, consider subscribing. As you can see, we just started building the arch cabin, so things are only going up from here. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video if you know someone else who wants to build an arch cabin.
Oh my God, we're done.
So yes, this project is finally underway after 3 years. I am so excited to share this journey with you guys. Thank you so much for joining us.
Now don't do trampoline stuff on them tonight and you'll be fine.
Yep, give them a couple days. And
I forgot to ask him how long they'll leave them curing before we backfill.
A week.
A week, okay. Thanks, Bob.
yeah,
It takes 5 to 7 days for concrete to cure.
Okay.
But it takes a little longer because you don't get the air through the...
Yeah,
To the tubes.
been cheated of the evaporation.
Okay.
Not too shabby.
Alrighty guys, now get out there and do the thing. I know you can.
That one might not move.
It didn't feel like it.
Yeah, that was one of the first ones we poured, so.
Oh.
Well, I know one thing's for certain, Bob. You certainly won't get osteoporosis.